I'm Caroline Rush, Chief Executive at the British Fashion Council. Now, more than ever, it's essential to collaborate and come together to support each other through these difficult times. Our curation will spotlight the rising stars and pioneers of the creative world, a family affair, a celebration of the bonds that matter in partnership with Browns.
Glamour is how we escape the world. Glamour allows us to be transported from our surroundings, our domestic setting.
When Cardi B descended upon Paris Fashion Week in September 2019 in a full head-to-toe look, the game was over and the Queen was victorious.
Today I'll be making a lovely mixed vegetable curry and some spicy yellow dal with some rotis on the side. I learnt these recipes from my nana and she's actually going to be helping us today.
Every single time a piece of fabric is printed, there's no one that will always be the same. There's always one with different slight imperfections.
Hi, I'm Eftychia and I'm the owner/designer of Eftychia.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Worthingham and I'm a makeup artist.
Hi, I'm Bethany Williams and we're going to be making a pasta sauce today. I used to work in a restaurant in Peckham Falls, Win, and they make this amazing pasta sauce.